Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a destination wax haul. Now I have not hauled destination wax in quite a long time. If you have watched my warm reviews for a while, you will know that for a little bit I probably wasn't getting the best throw or the throw that I wanted from destination wax. It was never a bad throw, it was just not as strong as I wanted. Now I was talking to a friend and she had said, and I don't want to mention her name because I don't know like if this is, I don't know like if she was like okay with me saying so or not, but she did tell me that Rebecca, I believe who's the owner of the company, increased her fragrance load in her wax so that they should perform stronger. So, and I had wanted to try her again anyways, just because I was like, you know, I think I've perfected how I have my warmers set up and which warmers I'm using and all that. So I feel like I've really got that down now. As usual, her presentation of everything comes really nice. She's really got that perfected and I really like that. I love how she keeps her theme rolling through her entire line of products. So of course you get the sample bag, which comes in this paper bag. I love like, you know, something as simple as like a paper bag, you know? I mean, it's just nice that she takes that time. Thanks, Kimberly. Enjoy your order, Rebecca. Yes, that is her name, Rebecca. I was watching Leanne, and I always forget how to pronounce her name. She's got it spelled differently, Southern Comfort. And I was watching her, and she did. So I'm going to blame this on her. So if she happens to be watching, this is all on you. I was watching her, and I was like, I felt inspired to order some of the scents. Now, I did catch the restock kind of at the end, where like things were already kind of sold out, and I kind of got, I guess what you would call the leftovers, but I don't think of it like that. But I did catch her customs restock where you could pick, actually not custom, sorry. She just had her store open and you could order scent shot cups or her citrus loaves. And so I went for a lot of scent shot cups just to kind of try her out again. But I thought in the meantime I would try these out. So the samples are lemon zest, and this is tart lemon zest. I like that she has descriptions on her stuff now, so you don't have to guess. This is like a lemon curd, which I am not loving lemon curd right now, so I might pass this sample on to someone else. This one smells amazing. This is sugared amber and plum. This is rich plums, sugared amber, cashmere, musk, and a spike of candied citron. This one smells very good to me. Oh, I don't know, it's so sweet, but then that amber kind of gives it an earthy note. Such a unique blend. And that's one thing about her site is I was looking through the scents trying to make like my order when she had the entire store open. I was like, I don't know what to choose because she has so many like unique scent oils that you don't see from a lot of other vendors. At least not that I've seen. So like that one, I've never seen that one in my life. So that's nice. Okay, this is Lavender Twilight, and this is Sweet Lavender, Lilac, Tonka Bean, and Ylang Ylang compared to Lush Twilight. So this smells exactly like Lush Twilight. I'm very familiar with Lush Twilight. It smells exact. If you were to put the bath bomb directly up to your nose, that's exactly what this would smell like. Twilight is one of my favorite Lush bath bombs. It's probably the one that's been around the longest. I did grab just some random scent shots and a couple of the, I think they're called block bags. So the first one I had, so Leanne was talking about this one, Vegas Showgirl, and I just, you know, I was like, you know what, it's a scent shot, I'll try it. It's a dishy blend of melon, pink flowers, coconut milk, and leather. This one definitely has the leather in it. So I'm not super fond of leather scents. But the way Leanne described it, and I would have to agree with her, is that other stuff kind of comes up, like the coconut milk, the melon, and the flowers, kind of like a sweet girly scent, kind of follow up that leather scent. So it's leather, but then, you know, you can tell that this other stuff is going to pop out too. So it's interesting. It's not one I would have tried unless I heard her mention it. So I'm kind of glad I am going to try that one. This is a great one for like the bedroom. I have a feeling, you know, you don't want to be like busting that out in your kitchen or something. So the next one I grabbed is I wanted to try some of the lavenders, and I almost tried Lavender Tassie and a couple of the other lavenders, but I was like, you know what, I didn't want to like venture too far away from what I would like and wouldn't, or if I didn't know if I'd like it. So this is lavender manuka honey, lavender and bergamot blended with New Zealand manuka honey. So this one, surprisingly, I think smelled like Twilight too. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, this one, no. This one is not like Twilight. This is more of an herbal lavender. It's weird. You know, I would think I would smell some honey here, but it's very lavender. I'm not really smelling that honey scent. Let's see. Lavender and bergamot blended with New Zealand manuka honey. Maybe manuka honey is not very sweet. I don't know. Anyways, that one's a very herbal lavender. The next one I have, I heard people talking in the group. I don't know. I feel like somebody posted like some of their favorites. Maybe Leanne did. Maybe Leanne, I was asking her and she kind of posted her favorites in the group. This is zucchini bread pie crust. And this is zucchini bread and buttery pie crust. I think she said maybe this was one of her favorites. Oh, and this one is good. I love the single note of pie crust. Oh, mixed with that zucchini bread. This is divine. This is bakery heaven. I love this zucchini bread pie crust. I can see so many blending possibilities with that too, but I bet it's going to smell amazing on its own. Oh, this is another one Leanne talked about in her video, Cafe Brulee. She said that she loved the scent of this one. This is buttery caramel brulee with hints of coffee, hazelnut, and marshmallow. I think this is a new one for her, and she smelled it and she raved about it. This one is very sweet. This one is very strong, very sweet. I feel like I got a Cafe Brulee from another vendor that I liked a little bit better because it wasn't so heavy. This one's pretty heavy. It does smell very good. I can smell the coffee in there. But it's a very sweet coffee. So we'll have to see how that one goes. I might have to like mix it up a little bit, which is fine. I don't mind blending at all. Next one I have is grapefruit rosemary. If you guys know, I love like grapefruit. I don't love it all the time, but I do like it on occasions. This is grapefruit rosemary. It's grapefruit, rosemary, citrus, lavender, sage, and a sweet citrus and herbal blend. This one is so unique. It's grapefruit and I love it, but it's got, I've never had rosemary by itself, so I think I'm picking up that rosemary and I kind of like it. Oh, this one is just so unique and different. If you like grapefruit scents, I would say try this one for sure. It's kind of mild on the grapefruit too, so it's not like if you're just diving into like grapefruit scent. Some people don't like grapefruit at all. Like I've heard many people say, I don't like grapefruit. I feel like grapefruit is like one of those things. It just, when you've smelled so many strawberries and so many blueberries and so many blackberries and, you know, lemon this, lemon curd, and then you get a grapefruit, it's like a totally different nose experience. You know what I mean? So it's nice to have something a little bit in the citrus arena. Lavender mint, invigorating herbal mint with a splash of lavender. Contains essential oils. Oh, okay. That's interesting. Okay, wait a second. What? Lavender mint. Okay, this is very minty. This is very minty. This is definitely a bathroom melt for me. So it's just got a splash of lavender. So that's why it smells so minty. Almost like a, maybe a spearmint. It's hard to tell what kind of mint that is in there, but yeah, I don't know what kind of mint is in there. Anyways, I want to show you guys the pour date is on there. So those will probably be ready to go since I'm not letting my wax sit around for ever and a day anymore. This other one is red currant rhubarb. I feel like someone mentioned this in the group as well, or maybe it was Leanne. I can't remember at this point. I forget things so easily. So this is red currant tarted up with grapefruit, pomegranate, and rhubarb. A touch of floral rounds it out. This one would be really nice mixed with that pie crust. I feel like if you wanted to like kind of give it a bakery, like a pie, like a rhubarb kind of pie type of thing. This one, okay. This one is unique. It almost kind of has like a clean note to it. It says a touch of floral rounds it out, and I can almost say I smell that floral because it's almost got kind of like a clean note to it. This one's very interesting. I feel like this would be great in the bathroom, which sounds weird because it sounds like a bakery, but it's got a clean note to it. I'm guessing from that floral note. Okay, I also wanted to try lemon leaves and mint. This is lemon leaves, lemon oil, lemon, I think it's supposed to be lemon verbena, and fresh spearmint. It's lemony, but it's more of like that fresh cut lemon type of scent. You just get a little hint of mint. I like this one. This one would be nice in the bathroom too. One thing about her scents is that some of them are so unique. I feel like she's got a lot of like the bathroom blends, the things that you might want to put like if you were going for like a spa type of feel. She's got a lot of those type of scents, I feel like really different. At least that's what I kind of gravitated towards this time. She does have a good mix of bakery and stuff too, but I feel like, I mean, like this one, like I've never seen citron and fig anywhere. This is rich fig, lemon, and spices. You guys know I had to pick up a fig. I'm obsessed with smelling fig. I don't know. So citron and fig, rich fig, lemon, and spices. I don't even know what to say about this one. This one is so unique. It's kind of got that, like a fig, if you ever... I used to make brownies with figs. I had a recipe for like a vegan brownie, and you would use the fig, was like the main thing, and you mix it with cocoa. So figs are very creamy and can be used in like sweet type of dishes if you're making like vegan type things. And so I feel like this has kind of got like a creamy, because the citron, like the lemon scent, is not very, it's not like overpowering. So I feel like the fig is kind of like toning it down. And then you do get a little bit of spice in there. I don't know what kind of spice it is, but I like it. So next one I have is Black Vetiver Coffee. I've tried this from a few different vendors now. Compared to Jo Malone, Black Vetiver Cafe, Black Coffee, Vetiver, Incense, and Sequoia. Sequoia is a tree, right? This one is very unique. I need to get the warmer going on this one, because I've never smelled the Jo Malone, so I don't know, like, it's kind of masculine, but it's not overly masculine. It's kind of got a little bit of like coffee going in it, but it's not like, if you smelled it and you didn't know like what the scent exactly was, you might not be able to pick out the coffee. That's pretty though. I like that. I don't think there was one that I like smelled and I did not like. I liked all of them. Now, when they warm up, it might be a different story. I think Leanne talked about this one too. I'm sorry, I know this is like Leanne repetitive, but I had just watched her video after I made this order. So I think she said she liked the banana walnut torte, and this is layers of lightly spiced banana cake, creamy banana custard, and chopped walnuts. Now, I think her next opening is the custom opening, and I don't think that's opening up until May or June. Rebecca had some sort of hand surgery, and so she's trying to be, she's a little powerhouse over there. She was like, right after her surgery, it was like a week or two, and she's like, okay, I'm opening the store. And I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. I don't necessarily gravitate towards banana scents, but this one, it's not too candied. It's not like a fresh banana. It's just like a nice bakery banana. Oh, that one is really pretty. I like that one a lot. Okay. So, and the scent shots came in a bag with her, this ribbon. I can't think of what it's called right now. I'm trying to remember what like this kind of ribbon would be called, but I can't right now. I used to be a scrapbooker too, and we used to mess with this ribbon all the time. Of course I can't remember. All right, so the next thing I got, and this another one Leanne talked about, this is Shop Around. It's Parma violets and creamy fruit candy with a hint of cinnamon. I think it says it's Ghostess's little sister. And when Leanne described it, I was like, I have to try that because I love Ghostess. And Ghostess is Parma violets and some sort of, it's either a cookie or a Nilla wafer. It's kind of like Violet from VCS is kind of what it smells like, but it's a little different. So when I heard that, I was like, I have to try this one because I love violet scents. That's probably like the only floral I really love, at least that I know of. I do like other flowery scents, but Violet is probably like the one that I gravitate towards most. If anything gets too rosy or floral, I don't want it. And this one is very heavy on the violets. I don't know if I'm getting like fruit. I definitely don't smell cinnamon. Maybe cinnamon on like a scale of 1. It's kind of creamy. I'd have to have Ghostess to kind of compare them, but I do like that one, and I'm glad that she mentioned it in her video because I'm glad I got that one. Okay, the other one I wanted to try, and I think she talked about this one too, Meyer Lemon Salsa. This is Sweet Meyer Lemon. Now you see why I'm blaming this order on her, because she like kind of inspired all these. Sweet Meyer Lemon, pineapple, kiwi fruit, and tropical melon. And these blocks are super cute. I love how they have like a... Someone was telling me in the comment section, because I commented on another vendor's wax with the overspray or the mica, I think she called it. I can't remember. You know who you are if you're watching. You said you used to make soap and used to spray it on your soaps, but it's always very pretty. So Meyer Lemon Salsa. Let's see. So it is fruity. You do get the lemon. It's mostly fruity. So this one doesn't smell like I thought it would at all. But I guess when you make like a salsa like this with the pineapple and the fruit and stuff, it's more of like a fruity salsa than like, I was thinking more of like a salsa. I don't know why. I'm not sure. Like I should have looked at the scent description and been like, oh, that salsa. Like a fruit salsa. Yeah, this one is very fruity. This one will probably be good like in my daughter's room if I want to like freshen it up in there. And you guys know if you have teenagers, you always need something fresh going on in their rooms. So again, there's a pour date on the back, which I love. And I think that's it. I think that's my entire order. Like I said, I kind of wrapped this up and put it away. And yeah, everything was beautifully packaged. And I've been following in the Destination Wax group. And so, like I said, I just put in a small order for when she opened her shop. Just some things I wanted to try. I kind of missed on the big ones. Like I know everyone talks about strawberry seeds, and there was one that Ramona had talked about that was moon spice cookie or whatever. And I really wanted to try that one, so that one was on my list. And I tried, I grabbed a Ghostess because I really like that one. And there was a few others that I just wanted to try. So yeah, that's it. That is my haul. I think she still has stuff in the ready to ship area. You just have to go in and look to see what's there. But when I was last there, it was kind of like the leftovers, but she still has some good stuff there. So if you see anything here that you like, go check and see if she still has it. Yeah, it's just a good order to kind of hold you over until she opens up again. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Check Destination Wax out. I will be coming back with warm reviews on how these do for me, since before I had kind of like a medium throw, kind of a mixed throw. So I'm hoping that with the fragrance oil load increased, that they perform a little bit better for me. And if not, there'll be a nice like a medium throw, and I'm fine with that too. Like sometimes, you know, you just like to pop something in your bathroom and just have your bathroom smell good. That's fine with me too. But like I said, I'll come back with that in warm reviews. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you again, as always, for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.